Want to monetize your Facebook account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily monetize your Facebook account. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure you are logged in into your account that you want to monetize. Move into your profile. Click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the space, click on Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on Update your profile. Well, you need to have your professional account in order for you to monetize. You can select Public and then click on Next at the bottom of the screen. Again, set the settings and tap on Confirm. Choose the category that suits you the best. After that, click on Go to Dashboard. Tap on Get Started. In this page, you will see the option of Monetize at the top right corner. Click on it. From here, you can monetize your account through different means. Where your account can get monetized by letting the audience support you by sending stars and gifts. You need to read all the information right over here. Now simply move into different options and follow the on-screen process. Not only this, you can also monetize your content. Strictly follow the process from here. Likewise, you can explore all the information given here and then monetize your Facebook account. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.